Security Force singna Tampakki District Mangada THIBA HUMBAGI THABAK CHATTHABDA Khutlai Maudra Amadi ammunition Chatret Henna Phagatpa Ngamkhre Senior Police Official singi pau amada Manipur de ing tappa purakna ba hotna bagi saruk ama oina Imphal East, Imphal West, Thobal, Kakching Amadi Bishnupur District ta intelligence ta base tawduna chingnaba mafam singda THIBA HUMBAGI THABAK CHATTHABDA Khulai sing adu phangbang ngamkhibani hairi THIBA HUMBAGI THABAK CHATTHABA aduda Manipur Police, CRPF, BSF, Army, Assam Rifle singi apunba timna khaidoktuna Operation CHATTHABDA AK series ahum M16 ama insas manga insas LMG ama SLR mari carbine mari pistol kun 303 Taret rifle nipan amadi atopa Khutlai yauna apunba Khutlai Maudra Phagatki loina grenade kunma thoi IED taruk magazine kunma thoi wireless handset kunmari amadi ammunition tatret ka kunipan su Phagatki hairi senior official singi maikei digi makha tana Manipur bi ing tappa purakna ba lokhalakpa khongthang singda saugatuna chingnaba leirabadi manak nakpa police station natraga control room da report torokna ba appeal torakli loinana makha tana su THIBA HUMBAGI THABAK CHATTHADUNA ing tappa purakna ba amadi miyamgi punshi amadi Thum ngak na bagi thabak paikhat kani haina makhataki.
The joint teams comprising the Manipur Police, CRPF, BSF, Army, Assam Rifle together recovered the following arms, ammunitions, explosives and other warlike stores. 3 number of AK series rifles, 1 number of M16 rifle, 1 number of insas LMG, 5 number of insas rifle, 4 number of self-loading rifles, 7 number of 303 rifles, 20 number of pistols, 4 number of carbine, 8 number of different types of rifles, 20 number of single bore gun, 3 number of anti-riot gun, 1 number of lithoid gun, 3 number of double barrel gun, 6 number of bolt action gun, 3 number of 2-inch mortar, 1 number of local made pipe gun. The total number of arms recovered are 90. Report some of the recovered arms were looted from our police armory that we have recovered. Along with that, the joint teams were able to recover 21 number of grenade, 399 number of 7.62 live ammunitions, 228 number of 5.56 live ammunitions, 35 number of 303 live ammunitions, 23 number of 9mm ammunitions, 6 number of 0.32 mm ammunitions, 1 number of high explosive mortar cell, 9 number of tube launching, and 6 number of different types of improvised explosive device, that's IEDs.